Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace a thermostat on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima. So I got the OEM one, part number 21200-9HP0A. And then I also brought the gasket as well. Also OEM. So that was 13050ZA000. So all you're going to need is a 10 mil, little shorty, like 1/4 inch drive, 1/4 drive, 10 mil. Then you can use a regular 10 mil with an extension. And you're going to need a pry tool and hose clamp pliers. So if you already know, if you follow the channel, I don't got a grommet there, so you just take out that grommet up there, slide this back, put it to the side. And then of course, I don't have a bracket here because I gotta drill this rusted screw out and then retap it and put a new one there. So that'll be a 10 mil. Then once you do that, remove this, put it to the side, and then there's 3 bolts on here. So it's one behind the sensor. So we're gonna have to take that out. You got another one. It's harder. It's like another one right there, and then it's one right underneath here. So it's 3 altogether. And I believe I drained the whole system when I did the, yeah, I don't hear nothing in there. When I did the whole entire cooling system replacement. So we're gonna remove this 10 mil, and I'm saying to remove that so we can have a little more room to fit a 3/8 drive ratchet down here with extension to get the bottom bolt down here. And then we're gonna remove this to get the bolt. You see the bolts right there. Well, it's hard to tell. Bolts right there. I apologize, I can't really give you an angle, but to give you a better visual, take this out. So you see one bolt's there, and then it's one at the bottom. Just to give you a better visual of what you're working with over there. So let me get my 3/8 drive, a 1/4 drive right there. And I'm gonna set you on the tripod and we're gonna begin. I apologize, that's the best angle I could give y'all right now, where it's not in my way. So I wonder, let's see. I might not have to remote this bracket, let's see. Yeah, I'm not to remove this bracket. Never mind. 1/4 drive ain't gonna reach. So I'm gonna get my ratcheting wrench and go that route. Alright, so I got my ratcheting wrench. And like I said, I apologize. That's the only place I can really set y'all. Alright. Now that that's out the way, we should be able to have better access to the bottom bolt. This looks like a, trying to see how deep it is. I might need a slightly longer one. So I got my 1/4 drive with the shortest 1/4 drive extension with an adapter on my 3/8 drive ratchet. Should be able to get there. I did have an extension, but it's a little bit too short to where it is. got it. Alright, so I should have access. I figured after I set it earlier, there's no way you'll be able to take out the sensor because it'll be hitting the thermostat housing. So me disconnecting the connector, I should be able to get in there. Yeah, so you don't gotta take it. So I was able to reach where the connector is and it's on it. So, alright, and last one. See, I can do a longer socket. Alright. Yep. Oh yeah, let me disconnect it. Alright. Put the old gasket up. From what I could see and feel like none of the gasket broke off, so that's a good thing. But I'm gonna get a shop towel, get some brake cleaner, rub it across just to clean it, and then we're gonna proceed to put in the new gasket and thermostat. Alright, so we're gonna get our new gasket. So part number 13050ZA000. So we're gonna get this out. Alright. We're gonna get our gasket, well, thermostat. So it's gonna be like that, line it up. And the way I'm gonna do it to hold it in place is get a bolt, feed it through, just so it could hold in place, as so. And then we're gonna slide it in. Of course, you gotta get the hose out the way. Alright, and then put the other bolts in. Remember, it was 3 bolts. Alright. Get my ratchet. Put it over the hose. Then we're gonna slide the hose onto the thermostat. right. And that's how you replace the thermostat on a 7th-gen Nissan Maxima. And then just refill the system with coolant. I still got 2 hoses that connect to the throttle body, not connected yet. So I don't want to refill the system that's leaking out. I believe that's only 2. I got disconnect. Yeah, I believe that's all I got disconnected for right now. So I'm not going to be refilling my system back. And then, of course, put the brackets back in. Then got the brackets over here. My ratcheting wrench obviously broke. I could use this end, but that's going to take forever. So I'm going to go to AutoZone, do the little warranty they have from the Duralast tools, get another one, and then I'm going to put mine back in. But that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.